Grade 8 students, welcome to my class. We are still on the module 1, but we are in the lesson 2 entitled Factoring Difference of Two Squares. Let's have a review about the perfect square. It is stated here that it's a numbers or expressions that can be expressed in the power of 2. Is number 4 considered as a perfect square? Let's see. So 4. Think of a two numbers that when you multiply by itself, the answer is 4. Correct. Number 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, it is equal to 4. Or 2 times 2, it is written as 2 squared. Thus, you can see here, we have a power of 2. Therefore, 4 is a perfect square. Another. How about 36? Is 36 is a perfect square? Think again a two number that when you multiply by itself, the answer is 36. Correct. It is a number 6. Because 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. And it is written as 6 squared. It is a perfect square. Check. In terms of expressions, we have here a 9x squared. Okay. So think of a two number that when you multiply by itself, the answer is 9x squared. Of course, 9. So we have here 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. And x multiplied by x is equal to x squared. Therefore, 3x multiplied by 3x is equal to 9x squared. So we can write as 3x squared. It is a perfect square. Let's try. Determine which of the following is a perfect square. Let's try. Let's say number 49. 49. Is 49 a perfect square? Let's see. So, two number that when you multiply by itself, the answer is 49. Check! It is 7. 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. And 7 times 7 can be write as 7 squared. Another. How about 15? Can we think of a two number that when you multiply by itself, the answer is 50? I don't think so. Let's try. What are the factors of 50? So it's only 25 multiplied by 2, 50 multiplied by 1, 10 multiplied by 5. Any number? No, therefore 50 is not a perfect square. Another. How about 18? 18. I still don't think so. So 18 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 3, 9 multiplied by 2. Any number? No. So this is not a perfect square. How about 64? A squared. Is it a perfect square? Let's see. So 64. Of course, it has 8 times 8. 8 multiplied by 8. A squared is A multiplied by A. Therefore, we can write here as 8A multiplied by 8A or simply 8A quantity of A. Another, what if we have 14x squared? 14. 7 multiplied by 2, 14 multiplied by 1, and this is x times x. X squared can be a perfect square, but 14 is not. Therefore, it is not a perfect square. I hope you understand my... Next. Now, after my example, it's time for you to try this example. So, on your answer sheet, try this 1 to 5. Okay, Let's now proceed to the lesson 2, difference of two squares. Difference of two squares, of course, we have a formula. A plus B, A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. Don't forget this, because this is the difference of the square. Okay, let's have a product and a factor. Okay, don't forget the product and the factor. Okay, so let's say in the product, let's say we have x plus 1 equal to x minus 1. As you can see, it is the same with this format. A plus B, A is equal to x and B is just equal to 1. Substitute it. So x plus 1, x minus 1, of course, we just squared the x as x squared, then copy the difference minus. So 1 times 1, and this is the answer. Next, x plus 4, x minus 4. So the answer is x squared minus 4 multiplied by 4, the answer. Another, what if we have x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3? So x multiplied by x squared minus 3 multiplied by 3, the answer. Another, x plus 7, x minus 7. So x times x equal to x squared minus 7 times 7 is 14. Last number, x plus 9, x minus 9. So just simply x squared minus 9 times 9 is equal to 81. That's it. Okay, let's move on to the factor. So we will just working backwards. Okay, so we have here now. So from this, it will become a squared minus b squared. It is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so if the given is x squared minus 9, what will be the factor? Okay, the first thing we should do, get the factor of x squared. X multiplied by x. 9 is 3 multiplied by 3. Therefore, the answer will be x plus 3, x minus 3. Yan lang siya. So, x, it would just simply x is an A and 3 is a B. Okay, next. What if the given is x plus 64? It is simply x multiplied by x, and 64 is 8 multiplied by 8. So we have x plus 8 and x minus 8. Another, if we have 16, a raised to 6, 25, b squared. Okay, simply 16 is equals to 4. A6, you just divide it by 2, so 3. A3. So another here, we have 5b multiplied by 5. So the answer is 4a cubed plus 5b. I get this one and this one. Then 4a cubed minus 5. Say another given for the factor. How about if the given is 3w squared minus 48? Do you think can we factor this? Of course, yes, we can factor this. But how? The question is how? Because 3 is not a perfect square. Let's try to divide it by 3. What we have? W squared minus 16. This process is so-called the common monomial factor. So put 3 here. Kung ano din divide nyo, just put 3 here. So now we have W squared minus 16. And now we can factor it. So W multiplied by W, 16 is 4 multiplied by 4. Okay? Therefore, it is simply 3 W plus 4 and W minus 4. Therefore, we can write here as 3W squared minus 48 is equal to 3W plus 4 and W minus 4. Just easy, right? And that is the factor difference. Thank you, everyone. If you have questions, just email me at teacherjudyann@gmail.com. Thank you.